Watching videos on YouTube trying to figure out how to get high dollar credit cards, yeah, it's cool. And some of these guys here show you some real information. They may even drop a couple of little gems. But wouldn't you like to know the real process? I mean, the real process. Go behind the scenes. Wouldn't you like to see something that you've never seen before, something that you will not learn on the internet? I figured it out long ago. And that's why I created the funding doc to show everybody how to get these high dollar credit cards. And to be honest with you, the things that I share in this document, I have not seen on YouTube. And more importantly, I'm thinking there might be some people that might be, a bit ticked off at me that I'm even sharing this information with people. It is some secret information that nobody is telling you about, that you need to know if you're going to be out here trying to get credit card funding. And the best part about my document, if you decide that you want to start funding other people making money, you can do that, or you can take the doc and you can resell it. I'm putting it all on the line in this document, and it's easy reading. It's only about 20 pages long, so that's not much reading. And I give it all to you because you know me, I'm Mr. No Fluff. I don't really care for fluff videos where they talk about 5 minutes before they even give you any information. That's not my style. So I put it all on the line in this book, and it's not even a book, it's a document. Down in the description of this video, it tells you everything you need to know to be able to get this document and start applying for credit cards. You might just be amazed. You might get a $30,000 credit card. It is easy to do.